Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
Basic reason for this increase in activity is the formation of a low pressure area, which is now in the form of a well marked low pressure area over east central and southwest Bay of Bengal. So in the coming days this system is going to intensify and move towards Andhra Pradesh coast. In the presence of this system, the wind pattern over Goa is in a form that moisture incursion is taking place over Goa from Bay of Bengal and the mid-tropospheric levels and lower levels from Arabian Sea. This induces thunderstorm formation and rainfall accompanied with lightning is taking place over Goa, and it is going to continue for around 3 to 4 more days. In view of this increased thunderstorm activity, IMD has issued a thunderstorm warning. That means rainfall accompanied with lightning and thunder is going to be there for 4 days starting from 10th of October. 10th, 11th and 13th there is possibility of heavy rainfall, that is rainfall exceeding 6 centimeters in 24 hours. Apart from that, there are fishermen warnings also. When this system is near the Andhra coast, we are expecting that the squally weather, that means winds with speed of 40 to 50 kilometers per hour, is going to be there over South Maharashtra and Goa coast. So fishermen are requested not to venture into these areas on 12th, 13th and 14th of October.